As seen in a previous video clip, we can also insert images. For example, after you have inserted the image, you can change the size, you can move the image, and then you can also change the properties by right-clicking on the image and change the wrapping, the alignment, the border or the margin, as well as the padding. To insert the picture, you click on Insert, Picture, and the picture will be inserted from a file. Now you have to search for your picture. I'm going to insert the elephant picture and OK. To resize the picture, you need to work with the handles at the upper corners or at the sides or below the picture. If you position your mouse, for example, at the horizontal middle point at the right hand side, the arrow changes to horizontal arrow. If I click and I move towards the left, it resizes the picture according to the width, it becomes smaller. Or if I go to the other side, it increases. The same for the height. And the same for the corner. Although, if you work in the corner, it changes the picture size proportionally. I can move the picture by selecting the picture and drag it to the position where I want it to appear. If I want to position it between the two paragraphs, I have to move towards the end of the first paragraph and press the Enter key. Other properties of the picture, if I select right click and I go to Picture Properties, Appearance, you will find the wrapping style, the alignment, whether it's left, center, the specific size, the border thickness and the margins. So if I go, for example, and I select the border thickness to be size 5 and I click on OK, you will see there's a border that's been inserted around the picture. Back to Picture Properties, I can also go and add margins. So let's work with the horizontal and the vertical margin of 5 and I click on OK. You will see there's a space between that border and this border, and that is then your margin area. If you press the Shift key, you will see a blue line appear, and you can move that then towards the left, and there's a padding that appear then between the picture and the border. But remember, you need to press the Shift key to make this possible. Instead of resizing by using the handles, you can also right-click on your picture and you go to Picture Properties, Appearance, and you can resize it at the size section of this window. But keep in mind that in this case the aspect ratio has been selected. That means that if I change the width to, let's say, for example, 100 pixels, then the height is changed accordingly so that the picture still is in exactly the same proportion as it was before. So your picture becomes very small. If I right click on my picture again and I go to Picture Properties and the Appearance, and I go to the wrapping style and I select, for example, the left wrapping style, that means the text will be to the right hand side of the picture. You will see how the text move up so it is to the side of the picture.